My name is Srilekha. I'm from Kamaredi district, Telangana. I have completed my graduation from Ardhaman College of Engineering in the year 2025 in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. When I was in the third year in the graduation, I have decided to start my career in the embedded systems. After that, I researched for the many institutes to join the embedded systems. In that research, I found the Emertxe. Basically, in our college, they'll more focus on the theory, which is helpful for the semester exams itself. But when coming to the Emertxe, they'll more focus on the practical knowledge. They gives the hands-on experience, which is required for the industry. Doing the projects and assignments will practice more on that topics. By doing the project, we can cover the so many topics in the module. I was completed about 11 projects, and while starting my revision, I started from the projects itself. By revising the projects, I gone through the topics, so I covered every topic in that module. In interview, mostly the interviewer will focus on the project. So if we were good in the project, it will become somewhat easy for us. While we are doing the project, we have to implement many technologies there. By that, we learn the each and every topic deeply there to implement in our project. So it will help. LG Soft is my first interview I appeared for. Basically, it went like one screening test from the Emertxe. After that, there was 2 written tests in the LG Soft. After that, 2 technical interviews. I can't able to write even 10 lines of code. After joining the Emertxe, now I can able to write some hundreds of lines of code. The people who want to start the career in the embedded systems, choosing the Emertxe is the best option for your career.
I'm Chaitanya and I'm from Karnataka, and I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Anjuman Institute of Technology and Management, Bhatkar. As I'm Electronics and Communication Engineering background, I always wanted to enter the core field, either VLSI or the embedded. When I got to know about the Emertxe, then I had 2 options, embedded or the IoT. Then I joined IoT as I have done more projects on IoT in the academics. So I joined IoT, and about the Emertxe, I got to know because I have visited here for the industrial visit. Then I got to know that many placements are happening here, so I joined Emertxe. In the college, it was like theoretical. We were by hearting the answers and we are writing it in exam, and after that we will forget it. But when I came here, it was more practical. Like we were not using any AI tool, we were doing it on our own. So it helped us a lot. Assignments and projects play a important role in getting placed, because most of the questions what interviewers ask, it will be which we have studied in the Emertxe, like either assignments or the project, they'll ask deeply. So if we are doing it on our own, we will be able to answer in the interview. I have completed 8 projects during Emertxe course, and the interviewer asked me about the project. I could explain detailedly because I have did it on my own. I have did the IoT project. It was like when I did in a college, we did using like ChatGPT. We didn't know anything. We just copied it and we did it. But here we were understanding each topic, like how to print it, and what are the libraries included in Arduino. That thing we have learned it here. It was very good. Like I have learned so many things here, like from zero coding knowledge to, I can say I can rate myself as 8 to 9. To my juniors, don't lose hope. You'll also get placed, and be consistent and study more. I have placed in a LG Soft. I have recently placed, and when I asked them about the role, they were saying like we are doing a TV related project, and we will be working on a medium level things.
My name is Shubham Sanjay Chaudhary. I am from Maharashtra. I have recently completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from JSP Munari Technical Campus in 2025. In last year and in third year, I have developed a project in my college days in hardware and software related projects. So because of these projects, I have developed a strong interest in embedded systems. So I decided to join. In college, they will teach you only exam-oriented or theoretical knowledge. But in Emertxe, they will put more efforts on practical knowledge, problem solving, doing coding questions, practices, assignments, classworks. So in Emertxe, you will learn more about and also build real-time projects that will help in your learning. The most important part is projects. So if you are building projects, so you will get knowledge about real-time projects and the concept where you are using in projects. So using these projects, you can understand concept deeply and apply in your projects. In assignments and classworks, so Emertxe will give 2 hours assignments. You can learn new programming questions, how to solve it, what is the right way to solve the program, and how to write algorithms. So it will help a lot to improve your problem solving and daily learning. I have completed total 14 projects. So projects will important because they showcase you in front of interviewer. So interviewer asks mostly questions on projects. If you are build your projects by your own, then you will be able to answer of these questions. I have completed 4 to 5 interviews. In one company there are 2 rounds, technical and technical 2. They are asking mostly on C, C++, which are teach by Emertxe peoples. And LG Soft also, they will ask problems on DSA and from lead code. So you will be prepared and do practice on lead codes. It was a nice journey. I will learn a lot of things from Emertxe, and my mentors will really help me to build my skills and improve my knowledge. I want to tell you that build your project instead of gaining only theoretical knowledge. Apply this knowledge into projects and build more number of projects. Be consistent and solve more number of problems that will improve your problem solving skill and help you to crack interviews.